When you've got an angel and devil on your shoulder, the end result might be something like this Frozen Banoffee Treat. Delicious frozen bananas enrobed in caramel coating and toffee bits. It is the perfect summertime treat. It's a little naughty and a little nice. So grab a cup of cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Crinkle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Peel your banana, making sure to remove any fibrous strings, and then cut it in half. Place the halves on wax paper lined cookie sheet. Grab a lollipop stick that you can get at any craft store and insert the sticks so that they go up about 3/4 of the way. Place the bananas in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours or until frozen solid. When they're frozen, grab your ingredients so that you can make the magic happen. Set up a small plate with a 1/4 cup of chocolate-covered toffee bits spread out and ready to go. Set up a double boiler with water on simmer and put a metal mixing bowl on top. Add your caramel chips to the bowl and melt slowly. When they begin to melt, add 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil and work it in until the consistency is smooth, and remove it from the heat. Take your bananas from the freezer and have your toffee bits handy. Spoon the caramel mixture over the frozen banana, working with about 1/2 to 1/4 of the banana at the time, as it does set quickly. Then dip it into the toffee bits. Repeat this process until the banana is coated. Place on wax paper lined cookie sheet again and freeze for 10 minutes and serve. Frozen Banoffee treats are a notch above a plain chocolate covered banana. The creamy, icy texture of the banana against the crunch of the toffee is sure to be a hit any time of year, but especially to cool down on those hot summer days. Of course, you could always switch up the coating and use chocolate over caramel too. I wouldn't be mad at you. Whichever coating you decide, you won't be able to keep your hands off of them. For other printable recipes, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.